So today I'm doing this beautiful look that Katrina Kaif is wearing and her new movie that's coming up, Bharat. And I love her look in this movie. It's very simple. She doesn't seem to be wearing a lot of makeup. She wear very minimal face makeup and a little of the eye kajal, and she smudges it out, and very simple lips, and she has this beautiful curly hair in the movie. I was using Bellamy once to achieve this hair look. I used the tiniest one they have. I forgot what barrel I used, but it's like the tiniest one, and it gives you this beautiful hair. So since the movie's coming up and Eid is coming up, I thought I'll do this video for you guys. You can wear this look for Eid and also learn how to do Katrina Kaif's makeup from that movie. This is a very simple look if you're on the run, if you're going to eat prayer in the morning and you don't want to do anything too crazy or something that's too time consuming. This is a perfect look for that. So if you want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. I'm gonna start off by applying my Smashbox's Photo Finish Primer. I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my face. God, for some reason my face feels so soft today. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using these Shiseido foundations because they have SPF too, and I'm gonna be going out later. And also, these are very natural foundations. They give you a really nice natural look, and I have the shades Dark Ivory and Light Ivory. This is too dark, this is too light, so I mix them up to get my perfect shade. So I'll be using this for my foundation. You guys, my allergies are literally killing me today. Foundation and this whole movie seems to be very natural. Everything, like her makeup, her foundation, blush, everything is very natural, and doesn't seem like she has used a lot of foundation on her skin. But then she probably has 10,000 lights on her face and like all the editing and stuff, so that's why it looks that good. I don't know how good my skin is gonna look. She doesn't have a lot of contouring, but she's probably really skinny and beautiful. But I need contouring because I have a double chin and I have a big nose, so we're gonna do a little contouring. I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but while I was trying to do my hair, I burnt my hand again with this stupid wand. It's the Bellamy wand. I love the wand, but every time I use it, I get burned. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. It's a little spot, but I hate burns. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Pro Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm gonna mix that with the NYX Yellow Concealer. Seem like a lot of product right now, but it's really not. I'm just kind of dragging it out, and then just on here. And with NYX's yellow, just applying a little bit of this. I think that's good. Maybe right here a little. So this is totally optional, and I don't think she has done it, but if I don't bake my under eyes, it just doesn't look right. So I'm gonna use my Fit Me loose powder to bake my under eye, but you really don't have to if your eyes are okay without baking, but I'm gonna bake my under eyes. I'm just gonna apply a little of this powder all over my face so this foundation doesn't move. And for eyes, I'm gonna go in with Kiko's Intense Color in the number 16. This is a black. I love how creamy this is. I'm just gonna line my lash line with this. Then I'm taking a brush like this and I'm gonna smoke this out. Drag it out very little out here. Don't go too out, just a very tiny little bit. I'm just gonna intensify it a little more. So go very gently and try to keep the intensity. Then the same thing to your waterline. Apply a little. Then smoke it out. Apply this to my waterline. Oh, I'm not used to this. I never, ever do this inside my eyes. Oh my god, that's hurtful. Now I'm gonna go in with Morphe's 350M palette. I'm gonna pick this shade right here. It's getting onto my eyelids. I'm gonna just set my eyelids a little bit. You can also take a little of this brown, like a dark brown, and with a pencil brush just smudge this out a little more. That way it's not as wet and also it doesn't get onto your lids. Now with a blending brush, I'm picking up this shade right here and I'm gonna apply this onto my crease. This is just to define our crease. I'm doing on this side, I'm just gonna repeat it on this side. So in the end, I'm gonna pick up this little small blending brush. This is perfect for the crease. I'm picking it up. We're gonna pick up this little brown shade. This is like a darker brown, and it seems like she has a little more on the outer corners, so I'm gonna just focus this right here. This will also help us make the crease a little deeper. Especially if you have hooded eyes like me, this will definitely help. You can also do it this way. So look down like this and then go right here. You'll feel it's weird, you'll feel your eyeball, but that just shows you where your crease exactly is. So the eye look is done for now. I'm gonna do the lashes last. And now for eyebrows, I'm using my Milady's soft light brown pencil, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with this. This is more of a, it's very creamy, so it's better for lips, but I kind of like this shade for my eyebrows, so I'm gonna be using it on my brows today. So basically I'm just following my own eyebrow shape, and I'm just gonna fill it in with this. Doing the eyebrows is my least favorite thing ever. Don't worry, I know it looks messy right now. I'm gonna clean it up with my concealer. So with a little brush like this, I'm just gonna brush it out. Make it look more natural. Now using my MAC's concealer, I'm gonna clean this mess up. How I would live without a concealer, you guys. I love concealer. Fixes every problem, literally. So now I'm gonna brush away all the little excess powder that's still sitting on my skin. So for contour, I'm gonna be very light-handed, and I'm using the chocolate Soule from Too Faced. For my jawline, I might not be that light-handed, because girl's got a little double chin, but for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna be very light-handed. So here, doesn't really show in pictures and stuff that much, so I can get away with it, but on my face I cannot. I'm also very lightly gonna contour my big nose. She actually has a big nose too. then I'm gonna blend it out with a clean brush. So for blush, I'm using this pink blush from Mac. The back is gone. I'm sorry, it's so dirty, but I don't really use pink blushes, but I'm gonna be using this pink blush from Mac, and I'm gonna find what the name is and I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna smile and apply this. I like how this has a little shimmer to it. It doesn't show much, but it does have a little shimmer. She doesn't seem to have any highlighting, but I'm gonna apply a very tiny amount onto my face. And for that, I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty's highlighters. And I'm gonna pick up the shade Sea Chilies right here. I think I just butchered that, but I'm picking up very, very little of this. I'm just tapping away most of it. So just apply this very little. That's all I'm gonna do. Very, very little. And for lipstick, I'm going in with Wet n Wild's lipstick in the shade 905D. I'm just applying this very lightly. And then I'm gonna just blend it out with my fingers because her lips don't look very defined. And I'm gonna top it off with this beautiful, beautiful Marc Jacobs lipstick and Understudy. You guys, I love these little lipsticks from them. This is the shade. It's a nice pink, and look how cute the packaging is. And like, it has a little magnet. It just goes down. I love it. I love it. I can't get over how cute this lipstick is. I got like 3 shades and I love them all. So I'm gonna apply this over the lipstick. Lips are very natural looking. I'm gonna use a little tissue and dab this off. So now I'm gonna start everything using Milani's Make It Last. Lashes, I don't think she's wearing any lashes, but I can't go without lashes, and I hate wearing mascara, so I'm gonna be using these lashes by Kiss, and they're called Shy, and they're very natural looking. I'm first applying What's Your Type mascara onto my lashes. I really cannot think, you guys. I am so hungry and tired, and I'm like forcing myself to keep my fast because I didn't wake up for suhoor last night, so I'm pretty hungry. Anyways, I'm just applying this onto my own lashes. As you can see, like, my lashes are pretty short right now because I had extensions on and they like completely ruined my own lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop on these lashes. You will see how natural they look in a second. See, they look very natural. So the lashes are on. Now I'm gonna apply the same mascara onto my lower lashes. I actually like this look right now. I usually don't like wearing this much black on my eyes, but it kind of looks nice. Panda eyes, but nice. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. I really like how it all came together. I didn't think I was gonna like it because this is just not something I would usually wear on my eyes, but I do like it. It looks pretty nice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you all have an amazing Eid. Eid Mubarak to all of you. And thank you so much for watching again. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's at Makeup by Roya. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.